Now, Lucy and I and Denise, we're all here by the Nolichucky River at the Davy Crockett birthplace. And those guinea hens have been following us everywhere.
Even though we have a dog.
Even though we have a dog.
If you were a bird, would you follow somebody that has a dog?
Nope. And they'll start squawking to warn the others there's a dog, and then they come closer and closer and closer.
Which doesn't make any sense whatsoever. You're kind of dumb.
It makes guinea sense, not any sense.
Ha ha.
But they're used to being fed by people.
You know why we're sitting here by the river Nolichucky or whatever the heck it's called?
Yeah, it's a Nolichucky.
We're sitting here because Will keeps bringing colds home. And so I'm sick today.
We've got seashells here.
But we did feed some carrots and apples to the horses. And the pigs really loved the apples.
Yeah. I'm going to get closer to those guinea hens.
So if you're sick, it's not a bad day.
Yeah. They're not afraid of people, but they don't like Lucy. Okay, there they go.